Kigomano kia mwaka uyu gia kanjo ya makanitha NCCK ni kia 80 kana na gitongoria giakio ni gukuria ayuthi na njira ya kumahe mieke ya gwikuria honge-ini itiganite cia bururi. Minista wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i akihumbariri mucemanio wa mwaka uyu aumagaritio ni anini atatu a minista za kinuthia wa mathako, Dagitari Mercy Mwangangi wa ugima wa mwiri na David Osiani wa wonjoria. Atatu aya aria ni ayuthi mari kionereria kia uria ayuthi mahetwo mieke kinyagia thirikari-ini.
We also have to tell the young people that it is upon them. It is not given. It is also taken. The world that you want to go, you have to take it.
You are your own limitation. And if I can use my own example, I first led a team of about 30 hospitals when I was 23.
This investment in the young people today is not an investment lost, Bwana GS. Thank you for donating this time.
And walk the journey together. That is very important. We are young, we are strong, we have the energy, but those who've gone before us have the experience, and so we need to work together.
Na riri gutigarite mieri 11 tu mbere ya bururi utabanie githurano kinene mwaka ukite, Minista Matiang'i ni oritie ayuthi matietikire kuhuthirwo ni ateti guthoga thayu.
2022 we will have, I think, will probably be the most important election we've ever had since independence. It's going to be more important than any election we've had. Why? We're going to have huge numbers of young people participating in this election. And then secondly, it's going to be probably a serious transition, as it were. Peace starts with me. It starts with me, first of all. It starts with you, with what you do yourself as an individual. No one will bring peace to you if you want to disrupt peace. My brothers, my younger brothers and sisters, we have now to say no. No to bad leadership. It is within us. We have the capacity.
Kuringana na riboti ya ruhonge rwa ndari ya mwaka wa 2019, bururi wa Kenya uri na andu milioni 47,800 na hari aya andu milioni 35,700 aria ni gicunje kia 75 hari 100 kia andu bururi-ini ni ayuthi a gatagati ka miaka 18 kinyagia 35. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Jitago Harun Njoroge wa Maina.